In this video, we list top 5 electric jigsaws. We talk about details and feature of these electric jigsaws. Let's see this video. Number 1. Bosch JS572EK. Amperage, 7.2 amp. Bevel angle range, 45 degree. Cutting capacity softwood, 5.5 inch. Weight, 5.15 pounds. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Black & Decker Smart Select. Variable speed dial provides 7 speed settings. Cuts wood, metal, and plastic, makes straight and curved cuts. Powerful 5 amp motor, tool-free blade changes. Variable speed dial provides 7 speed settings. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Milwaukee X1268-21. Keyless shoe adjustment of up to 45 degrees. 6.5 amp motor, 1 inch stroke with 3000 strokes per minute. Tachometer feedback, 4-position orbital cutting action. Cushion grip handle, counterbalanced mechanism for low vibration. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Wen 3602. Lock-on trigger switch. T-shank metal blade. Onboard hex wrench storage. 6-1/2 feet power cord. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. Black & Decker Max. Variable speed trigger for increased control. 45 degrees bevel shoe capacity. Tool-free blade change. Built-in dust blower. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.